My name is Marley Garza and I have come up with a geography video timeline based off of the geography text from grades kinder through 6th. I first start out with the image representing relative location. Relative location is the position of a place based on its surrounding locations. So here I have a picture of the lower RGV and we can see that Edinburgh is relatively 9 miles north from Far. Here we have a picture of a sculpture of children holding hands located in the university, and if we were to explain how to get to this sculpture to someone, we would say that it's next to the library. So again, that's relative location based on finding something through your own surroundings. We can also find absolute location with the use of latitude and longitude. Absolute location is an exact place on Earth given degrees. So for instance, the Empire State Building is located at 40.7 degrees north, which is longitude, and 74 degrees west, which is latitude. Next, we use tools to find locations such as maps and globes. Right now I'm on Google Earth, as you can see. With this tool you are able to go anywhere in the world just by zooming in. So here I am just going around the world. You could zoom in and you could actually see all the places. Going on, we are also able to locate places using the 4 cardinal directions which you are able to find on a compass such as this one. Starting from top to bottom you see north and south, and then from left to right you see west and east. The following 3 pictures are going to be used to represent how we are able to use simple maps of the community, home, and school. So here I have a screen capture of the community of Roma, homes, and the elementary school close by. It is easy to use maps such as Google Maps to get around. Next, we will see a video of the various bodies of water around the globe by using Google Earth. So if you look, we see the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, the Norwegian Sea, Philippine Sea, and so on and so forth. Continuing, to use maps, we also need to understand them. So here I have a picture of a map with a legend, which is a key to symbols used in a map, such as the one on the lower right corner that shows country boundaries, state capitals, rivers, cities, oceans, as well as a compass. There is also a scale to determine the distance between places on a map and globe such as this one. The following video will show you how you can locate places of significance around Texas and other countries just with a click of a button. I first head to Texas state capital on Google Maps, and I could easily even make my way inside the building, as you can see by dragging the little person icon in the lower right screen. You can even make it a satellite view and see the colors in real time. Next, I head to the United States Capitol by typing it in the search bar. Here it is on the outside. So now I drag the person icon inside. We are now inside. Going on into another significant place in Texas, we land at the Alamo. I drag the person icon yet again to get a better look, and I end up at the back of the building, so here it is. Next, we see a picture of a city fully developed in the present, so people have modified the physical environment, such as building roads and clearing land for urban development. Going on, the following 4 pictures shown have people in different communities adapted to the physical environment in which they live. We could tell by the clothes they wear and where they're located. Here's a picture in living in the desert, mountains, wetlands, and plains. We also have effects of physical processes such as volcanoes, hurricanes, and earthquakes, which ultimately change and shape landscape as in the pictures. Natural disasters have big tolls on communities, as you can see. In this picture, we see settlement patterns of people who live in Texas, as shown with the legend on the bottom left screen. There are a variety of factors that influence people to choose where they want to live, such as climate. And there are many geographic regions in Texas, such as mountains and basins, Great Plains, North Central Plains, and coastal plains. We are able to locate physical features on a map, such as the Rocky Mountains, Mississippi River, and Great Plains, as shown in these pictures. Going on, people must adapt and modify to their environment in the U.S. to meet basic needs, such as building dams to modify water, urban growth for landform modification, and adapt to climate. Though there are negative consequences of human modification on the environment, such as biodiversity loss and freshwater pollution. And lastly, we are able to also get information off of geographic tools such as this map, which illustrates various religions in several regions.